Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic business value of information. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management and business management. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, let's start. Business value of information. Friend, every information which we are getting, it has a value, but the value pertains to some parameters. What are those parameters? The parameters are timelines, presentation, accuracy, context, and expectations. So these are the parameters. Based on that, the value of the information can be determined. So that is called as the concept of business value of information. So what are those parameters? Let me explain you here. First parameter is timelines. Timelines mean, friend, that whatever the information you are getting, the timelines are very important. For example, let me give you an example. For example, that if you are implementing some project and you have to complete that project within 5 months, for example, and if there is any requirement, for example, the technical team needs some training. So if you give that information to your management that your team needs a technical training within particular time, like when on the first month you have given that information to your management that your team needs a training, so it is valuable information. However, if you give that information after passing, for example, after passing 8 months, you are giving that information to your management, so obviously that is not important. So the timelines are very important. That particular information, whatever you are giving, so its value determined, first of all, it determined based on the timeline. Then the next point is the presentation. Presentation means that you are giving information to management and it is valuable for them if you are presentably, if you are giving it in a very good presentation. That means that you are presenting it well so that the decision makers can understand the concept, understand the information, and they can take the right decisions. Then the accuracy is the most important thing about the information. Like for example, the accuracy, like how much it is accurate, this is very important. If you are giving some information to your management, however it is not accurate, so obviously it will not get the right value for the decision makers. Then the context is also very important. The information which you are giving, so its context is very important. For example, you are giving some information that project is getting delayed, for example. So this information can be valuable for the PMO, project management office, the CTO or CEO, for example. It is also very important for them that project is getting delayed. However, this information is not valuable for the finance manager. Okay, he will definitely think that what he can do if project is getting delayed. So this information will not be valuable for the finance manager. So whatever the information you are giving, so its value is very pertaining to the context of that information. Okay, this is also another important point. Then the expectations is another point. Information is generally more valuable to management when the information breaks an expected value or expected result on an expected reaction. For example, if a manager has made a marketing strategy expecting his competition for to launch a product A, and before the launch he gets information that the product to be launched by his competitor is not product A but product S, then this information has not got greater value for him as it is contrary to his expectation. So that is called as the concept of expectation. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.